If you feel like you can crack it from there.
Okay. Oh my god.
You can put the shell in the tray. I'll get it.
Oh, and make sure you wash your hands when you finish.
In the egg is actually the part of the fat and nutrients that becomes the food for the egg before it becomes a chicken, when it's becoming a baby chicken.
Wait, hold on. Say that again.
Okay, so you asked me what the yolk was inside of the egg, right? The yellow stuff. So that yellow stuff is what becomes the chicken when that egg is fertilized to become a chicken. Now, what those are unfertilized eggs, so we can eat them. They're safe because they're not like actual baby chickens. It just would have become a baby chicken if a mommy and daddy chicken got together.
I thought they were already inside of the yellow thingies.
No. An egg is always potential waiting to be born. It has to come together with something else from nature in order to become a new thing.
Is that enough mixing?
Don't forget your butter for your pan.
I do like to get it everywhere. Be careful while you're cooking.
Yep, you can get that back. Get it all melted. Yep. Alright, and do you want some salt and pepper?
Yes, I'll go ahead and get that. There you go. This one. Yep.
Shake, be gentle with it.
I just pour it into the cap and then pour it in.
Go wash your hands, okay, Jojo, and Jojo, sure, you got your food all over.
It looks delicious already. Like bubbling. No.
Alright, so what's your favorite kind of eggs? There's so many ways to prepare eggs. What's the way you like them the most, Aurora?
Like how you prepare them?
Tell your viewers. How do you like your eggs?
I like them nice and salty, even though my mom put salt already inside of it. I asked for more on top.
Okay, and do you like scrambled eggs or fried eggs?
Fried eggs are big, and I like those the most.
Okay.
Scrambled eggs, not so much.
Really? When did that change?
Huh?
I thought you loved scrambled eggs. When did that change?
When I get older, of course.
When you got older, of course. Okay. How old are you going to be this year?
I'm 6, so I'm going to be 7.
Good job.
Yeah.
That's good. Show the feet.
Looks delicious.
Sure does.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, so now we can actually turn the heat off.
Wait, but this time.
It's cooking. Yeah, it's cooking. it starts with the letter E. Yes.
I'm scratching my tongue.
And then let's get you a plate.
I got it.
Right here. You use a paper plate. I do not want to do dishes this time.
And a fork. A paper fork.
No, you can get, there might be some forks in the drawer there.
No.
No? Then
I
it's
want
still,
that paper.
you need plastic. They might still be in there.
Oh, here we go.
You don't have to use a spatula, you can actually just slide it on the pan. Yeah, practice makes better.
There, the spatula helped me.
Alright, so you're showing your finished product.
We're gonna cut.
Voila!
It fits the plate perfectly.
Yum, yum. Buen provecho!
Bye-bye. Let's enjoy this delicious masterpiece.
You want some hot tea this morning?
Yeah. Mommy, I cut it into a pizza.
Just go ahead and wash your face.
Delicious.
And change your clothes. Looks
Kind of hot, but I can stick with that.
You can sit down while you eat, you know.
Sorry.
And use your fork, please. That's the whole reason you have it. Get over the plate.
Hot. Wait.
Sit down like twice.
You better not. Don't listen to this maniac. Don't go to his channel, please. This is your channel. Baby, I just told you. He gets a YouTube channel. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna. Well, you can take YouTube channels, but I'll hack it. What? Did you just say I know you want a pee-pee?
Hey, you gotta take this to yourself.
Yeah, buddy.
I think that's what trash is. We already came yesterday. But maybe something else.
It's taken away from our leafy trees. Yeah.
Yeah. Today's Thursday. Trash came yesterday. Outside to the recycling piece. Okay.
I locked the door.
Why you got problems?
I got problems with you.
So what are you gonna do?
Me?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna finish eating, get ready, make sure I'm nice and good for the day. Clean up the bedroom so it's not all messy, and then I'm gonna play outside.
You have any schoolwork today, man?
Well, no, I'm gonna do my homework and then play outside. I'm just gonna have fun. Huh? Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna. Guess what? Tomorrow I'm gonna do.
Oh, it's Friday, so you're probably looking forward to watching some YouTube tomorrow. Playing video games with your brother and cousin.
I can't, cause you deleted Roblox.
Alright, so we decided on black tea. We do not want chai tea. Do you want any cream or milk in there?
Creamer.
Yeah.
Yes. that's
sugar at the bottom
new.
because you have to slice that.
That's
Yeah, we
new.
got some cinnamon roll. It's one of my favorites.
I might like it.
I think you will. Hold on, let me stir it.
It smells like cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
I'm already halfway done.
That's a quarter. We'll keep talking about the measurements. You have a whole, half, quarter, third.
Now I have 2 bites left. I cut them in slice, and then 2 bites left.
You need ice in your tears. It's okay. You didn't have to see the steam coming from it. It's probably too hot. It's very good. Don't forget to getting back to our stretching and our yoga.
Yeah, we need a
Right? I've seen Cosmic Kids too.
Oh yeah.
Cosmic Kids.
2 pour ice in there.
I put ice in there just to cool it down. It's very hot.
I'm trying to take a
I was
sip of
coming,
it.
yeah, I was coming to stir it for you.
I'm trying to take a sip of it.
I'm just gonna take a sip of it. I'll leave you. Just go ahead and take the tea bag. And then I'll throw it in. You're welcome.
No, you're not getting my pizza.
Wait.
I have pizza, the crust. I
What's up? You don't like it?
no, I kind of do. Mama, look, this is what he meant. This is pizza.
Put too much clothes and shades. Careful.
I'm trying to get that back.
Alright, now try it. Should be better.
Ow. I tripped the floor. Oh yeah, that is delicious. You never finish it. My personal, Mom, last night I was looking for the toothpaste in the closet. I saw that I have one.
You want to try it? Yeah, it's called a biscotti. You eat it.
Got
And you dip it in your tea. And no, you're making your food. She's dipping it in the tea. It's actually very crunchy. So unless you have tea or coffee to dip it in, it's not gonna soften out. This one is a gingerbread sugar.
Oh my god.
But when you get your tea this morning, Nehemiah, I'll give you some. I'll let you try it.
Oh,
You like
that
it?
will look it. I need to have this more often.
Oh, do you?
I bust that pizza.
Your egg pizza?
Yeah. For some reason, I'm still hungry. From that full omelet pizza.
I can make you some toast or give you some yogurt with
I don't want to hurt my stomach, so I'll just have a little bit of toast.
okay, sounds
It was, when I got up, it was freezing, but now I feel cozy from this warm food.
That's exactly why you get warm food.
I see the head of the toast.
Toast.
What? Toasters have heads.
Never thought about it.
Because they're like little thing in its head. That's the head. You said you just agree. I'm not argue.
This is green. Oh Lord. So I'll flash before my eyes.
Don't worry, I won't hurt you.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, hey, what did I say about being nice this morning, David? Nice words, nice jokes.
My most one that helps me relax is the game that you have to finish the whole picture with your finger.
Oh, so color by numbers.
Yeah. Can you say what you want? My 3 favorite games is color by numbers, pet hair, and I just looked on the buying games, the app where you can get some free games. I tried up free games, and there's this game where you can like race your friend in this desert and stuff. You can pick what kind of island, and it has like a huge head. After breakfast, I did my homework. Sometimes I get distracted and play with my hair. I had lunch. I had some free time, and I did good on my practice test. Thanks for watching Aurora Eggs.